Dreaming of high-paying travel nurse gigs and epic adventures? Let's break down how to land the best assignments in 2025. What matters most to you? Top pay? ICU and ER roles are hitting $5,000 per week this summer. Location? Florida winters or California coasts. Facility rep? Magnet hospitals equals better ratios. A great agency like Cambay Healthcare gets you. Exclusive jobs. Many never hit public boards. Licensing help. We handle compact state paperwork. Housing/stipends so you don't pay out of pocket. Before you sign. Cancellation clauses. Avoid no-pay surprises. Overtime rules. Time and a half after 40 hours. Bonus deadlines. When does that $2,000 kick in? Ready to travel, earn, and explore? Cambay Healthcare's 5-star rated recruiters will match you with perfect assignments.